This is one of our DIY submarines called Tether, and deep underneath us are sunken artifacts of a 400-year-old mine. The problem is, in order to get to them, we need to find our way through a maze of countless flooded corridors and shafts with an entrance right here.
Alright, let's go.
Put it in.
Are you recording the screen?
Yep.
And the local cave divers who are here with us even told us that they've never reached the deepest part of the mine.
At the very bottom of the central shaft there was nobody. Okay. Because it's really dangerous to get there.
Let's get it moving.
So just down.
So if, and only if, we travel far enough, we might even be able to explore a place previously never seen before. That is, after it was flooded over 100 years ago. But that's way ahead. Right in front of us, however, formulates the first problem.
Where should I turn now?
An intersection. Should we go left or right?
Wait, I'm pulling you slightly. Go slower.
And now to the right.
Here.
Yeah, you're in the main tunnel now.
As you can hear, that's exactly why we contacted perhaps the most competent navigator for this maze, Andrzej Gaspar, who's been diving here hundreds of times over the years. His help is the only way we have any chance seeing any artifacts and get to the bottom.
You have slow internet or something.
Yeah.
That's true.
The connection is shit.
Yeah, it's very shit, yeah. But actually, I don't know why.
Now the stairs. This morning on the briefing, Andrzej listened to our goals and prepared for us an optimal path. This is the first section of the path, the staircase.
Now keep right.
Keep right.
There's going to be a T section.
Here right or here right?
Go straight.
Okay.
When you see the line split.
Right.
Down the staircase.
Like that. Oh, that's the staircase. Yeah, we've reached the staircase.
Alright. Now watch it. There's a line across the staircase, so go left.
Left here. Left here.
Down.
Down. All right. Crap. Oh, nice.
Oh wow. And actually, we can maybe even go even more up. To
Yeah, keep it to the ceiling.
Okay. Fair.
And now you're at the first doors.
We're already about 3 turns into the route, and that's where our second big difficulty stems from.
I wonder how is it sliding against the rock?
Is it like difficult to unwind it, or do you feel like a big resistance or something?
Tether, the drone, is connected to us at all times via a tether. We're using it to steer and stream the video. Now, after taking a turn, the tether starts touching the wall, and when the drone travels further, it starts scraping against it. To be honest, we knew that it's gonna be a major problem, and that's why in all our previous missions we avoided making any turns whatsoever.
You want me to swim into the tunnel?
I think that's the last hope.
So making even just a couple of turns today will be a success. Best case scenario, it just slides through unscathed, and worst case, it snaps and we lose the entire submarine.
Do you want me to go faster or slower?
Can you stop for a second? You're realizing that we already did a couple of turns, and
Yeah, I actually do.
Somehow.
Yeah, it still works, and the video still hasn't permanently disappeared.
That's good.
So that's good.
I hope you didn't jinx it.
Go further.
Let's go further. Oh, we're already at 14 meters depth.
Yeah.
Anyway, this difficulty is actually what we're seeking for a very specific reason. In many future missions, which you'll see on this channel, we'd like to explore not only mines, but very irregular caves, which have a lot of turns and twists.
Wow.
And eventually we're after the deepest flooded cave in the world, in Hranice, which nobody knows how deep it actually is. So you can subscribe to see our exploration journey. The many turns in the staircase, which we're above right now, is our first real test for the tether.
Now this is a good question, if you should go up or down the staircase. Zobaczyć, choda to nespustirowe.
You guys decide. I have no idea how this looks like.
But we have two paths, or?
It's actually like a balcony, you know, you go from up, down, so you don't need to take the turn left. No.
So up, yeah? That's the consensus. Okay.
We decided that by going up the balcony there's less turns in total.
These tunnels are like at so like weird angles. I don't know which way is up and which way is down.
In order to tell which way is up and which way is down, you can always look at these lines. And the line with the 0 degrees is the horizon, which means that we're currently level. I hope Peter steering the drone knows that, because he always needs to keep track of the orientation.
Yeah, and now left.
Alright.
Left.
The thing that helps us with the tether a lot is the size and power of Trevor. With over 60 kilograms of forward thrust, his pulling force on the tether is similar to maximum force of an average human, so quite a lot. And with every turn, there's more and more tension.
Okay.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Oh no.
What happened? Did I break the tunnel?
Go down, you just follow the path.
So do we go back?
You should install the backwards camera as well.
Yeah, actually that's a good point.
Turn around, yeah.
Turn around, yeah.
We needed to go back a few meters to find an intersection which we somehow missed.
So, which direction?
And now turn around.
To the right, maybe. To the right.
To the right.
Oh, now down.
Down, yeah.
Yeah, there.
Very good. Very good.
All right.
Go.
Here are the stairs.
Okay, and now go to the right.
Straight to the left.
No. Right.
More up, maybe.
Yeah. And now you are entering the big room.
I can actually feel you pulling the tether now.
Now you need to go to the left, and you will see the main shaft.
Actually,
Yeah.
this is the main shaft already.
Yeah.
We've arrived to the central room.
Oh, this is a ladder.
Oh, this is the
Yeah,
ladder.
we used the ladder. Yay!
Our first artifact, over 100-year-old ladder. Seems like ladders didn't change a lot since then.
Okay, I see.
I opened the door for you to go inside.
Thank you.
And this is the entrance to the central shaft, which leads to more levels below, and even lower, a place which nobody saw for over 100 years. When Andrei sketched out the route earlier today, we honestly didn't expect to reach this spot. So before committing to even more challenging section of the mission, we decided to see one more artifact, which is behind the shaft.
So you need to go more to the right.
To the right of that.
Yep.
Was this there? Can
The basins.
the basins?
Yeah. Go further.
What the hell are basins? What is that?
Let's go to the basins. We had camera problems since the start, but now they were worse than ever.
Now we're playing Minecraft.
Frankly, we did have better camera quality on our last mission already, so we thought that unfortunately it was solely because of our software update. The video could honestly be so much better. But we couldn't turn back now.
And you will see the basin.
This?
Yeah. That's the hole.
This artifact is quite unassuming, but that's just because it's a hole in the ground. What it was used for is more amusing. There's a measuring stick inside the basin, which told the opal miners the water level, so they know when to start pumping out. As you can see, right now it's full. So let's go back. We decided to come back to the main shaft and start going down as soon as possible.
That's our path. That's how we leave the path. Where's the line? Oh, okay. Maybe not get tangled in it.
We needed to be extremely careful about tangling in our own tether, because the motors can just easily suck it in. 1.5 years ago we had this exact issue, and we almost cut through the cable, almost losing the entire submarine. That's why we then made motor guards, which protect from stuff floating in, but since then they gave out. Now, we organized this mission just a few days ago, on a very short notice. So we only had 20 hours to 3D print all 16 new parts. The only 3D printers that could make them this fast and with good quality is these, called Bamboo Lab. By the way, thanks for sponsoring this video. What was especially useful for these motor guards is the material called support for PETG, which if you ever 3D printed, make these supports come straight off. Very satisfying. We'll see whether the motor guards will do their job correctly. We can't afford any tangling whatsoever. Okay, let's dive into the shaft.
Fun games.
Let's go.
Subnautica. Are you ready?
I am.
I am.
Do I have enough space to fit in here? Yeah.
Almost. Okay. Okay, you're in.
I'm too fat.
Oh no.
I'll push it more. Why am I? Oh, sorry. I'm telling you, I'm too fat.
This is the way.
I don't fit in here. Look, I opened it. Is it possible that I'm too fat?
Oh,
Yes.
it is?
I want to try again, alright? Let's just... Alright, I'm too fat, yeah. Oh yeah. Not really, no. I'm too fat. I'm telling you.
You know what you can do.
Of course, I know what I can do.
Let's do this.
Now I can go to the right side.
Yeah.
Maybe the right side, alright. Okay, I'm stuck. I feel that I'm stuck.
I know why. because I'm not giving you the tether.
Is it that? Alright, well I'll just...
Try again now. More?
Oh yeah, it's fine.
Sorry.
Bruh.
I must say that it would have been much easier if we could just enter this shaft from the very top. But here's why it wasn't possible.
The rubble. Let's see the rubble. Up?
Yep, let's go up.
Are we crazy? Oh. Oh yeah, it's pretty blocked.
Ouch.
So we finally started heading down. We actually did many missions like this before, just going straight down until we reached the unexplored bottom.
Oh, I have a déjà vu. Alright.
Now it's like we're back home.
What are you? What is this? The heck?
It's mold. It's alive. You know?
It's like floating.
If you also want to do underwater missions like these, you must know that this underwater drone costs way too much money to build, and the design is also kind of overcomplicated, because we simply didn't improve it over time. However, in the years since, we did manage to design from scratch a much more affordable drone, which is also very easy to build, especially because right now we started creating full DIY kits, called CPS-free kit, which include every single component required to build the CPS-free drone in one box. We made countless improvements and simplified as many parts as we could so that you can build it even if you're a total beginner. Or if you're, for example, a student who likes learning by building. We even did a small mission with the CPS-3 in this flooded mine, through this small hole that wouldn't be accessible with the bigger drone, the Trevor, and recorded a couple of shots. We just released the new batch of CPS-free kits today as of the release of this video. They're quite limited, only 50, so click the link in the description to get yours today.
So you are now on the level
40.
40.
And the rails are somewhere
are
here.
there.
Yeah, behind you.
So I will turn around like that.
On our way down, we decided to stop and take a look at another artifact. The remains of the minecart system.
And it's here. Wow.
Very good.
Nice.
Underneath the ceiling, there should also be a thin layer of gas. Let's see if it's still there.
Oh, okay, it's not there anymore.
Oh.
Maybe somebody sucked it up
Yeah, some diver breathed it.
and
They moved the railway around, and this is the remains of the railway. So.
and where does it go now?
There are two passages now.
Yeah, we can choose left or right.
Okay, do we go back or we don't have self-control?
We decided to come back since we were so close to the bottom already and didn't want to lose the drone now.
So we're coming back. Okay, do you have the tether?
See it? Oh, here, now it came up.
Great, so we go back to the shaft and then I'm just gonna go around it. Alright. Here.
Try to reach the bottom.
Okay, let's try to reach the bottom then. Yeah.
Alright. Gotta give people what they want. I can feel how hard I need to pull the tether. Maybe it's just me, but like look at this. I'm just like stopping. I'm just dangling on it.
Again, we needed to be very careful not to get tangled in our own tether. That's why we printed the propeller guards on Bumble app. However, after taking so many turns, the tether could be already wedged in and stuck between some rocks.
Okay, I'm pulling you and I feel a lot of resistance, but yeah, I feel all of the walls.
I could clearly feel that the tether was under a lot of tension, but since we could still move slowly, we decided to just continue.
Okay, so we are at 40 meters now, and it's still going down.
Now let's see what nobody saw before.
All right, there's like it's a tight space here.
And you want us to go down here?
Yeah. Try.
All right, well,
This obstacle at the depth of 49 meters wasn't passed by any diver ever before, because it was just too dangerous.
I mean,
That's really cool.
If we get stuck at a place where nobody was before, maybe it's not the best.
worst case scenario, everything's gonna break. This is fine.
We just passed the threshold of where you
Yes,
stopped.
nobody was ever here before.
Nice. So we're at 54 meters, and there's a spike. I hate spikes.
I think you need to roll to the right, perhaps.
And then just go.
Just go.
This is the tightest spot we needed to get through in the entire mission.
Oh, there's the bottom.
There's the bottom.
Here we go.
Nice.
Yeah.
Can you look around?
We saw some more space to the sides, but Trevor lifted up too much dust and we couldn't clearly see what's there. One thing is certain,
It's the bottom of the mine.
Is that like the mold? It's like the entire wall is
No,
like
it's
moldy.
rust.
It's rust.
we just needed to get back, which is way easier said than done. The vertical shaft wasn't that bad, but at the exit of the shaft, we thought that the tether is absolutely stuck.
Let's investigate. Oh, it's... What?
the hell, bro?
Wait. Oh, here.
Oh yeah, alright.
So at the end, with the help of Andre, we got Trevor back. That is a way bigger success than we ever hoped for.
Wow. I wouldn't like think that this would be successful for a million years.
Subscribe to see our journey down the deepest flooded cave in the world. And also check out the link in the description to get your own DIY kit and build a DIY drone. To learn by doing.
Wait. Everybody left.
Guys.